You think you have a pretty good handle on the universe, right? We've got our physics, our neat little maps of the cosmos. But what if I told you that map is looking more and more like a kid's crayon drawing? The latest discoveries are showing us a universe that's weirder, wilder, and way more magnificent than we ever gave it credit for. What if there's a black hole 33 times the mass of our sun lurking in our own cosmic neighborhood, and we just found it? Or that scientists have clocked 5,000-mile-per-hour winds on a planet hundreds of light years away? The universe has been sending us signals, and we're finally starting to pick up the phone. These aren't just minor updates. Some of these recent breakthroughs are challenging what we thought we knew. Let's get into it. Number 10. Earth occasionally has a second moon. We all know our moon. It's big, it's beautiful, it's always there for us. But believe it or not, Earth sometimes plays the field. Every so often, our planet's gravity snags a passing asteroid, pulling it into a temporary, wobbly orbit. For a few months, or even a couple of years, we have a mini-moon. A great example is an object called 2020 CD3, a sized asteroid that danced with us for a while before getting flung back out on its journey around the sun. It's a powerful reminder that our planet is in a constant, dynamic relationship with space. We're not just sitting here in isolation. We're part of a cosmic ballet, with partners dipping in and out all the time. It really makes you wonder how many other mini-moons we've had over the millennia that we just never noticed. Number 9. We built a digital universe. How do you study the entire 13.8 billion year history of the universe? You can't exactly run that experiment in a lab. So, scientists did the next best thing. They built one from scratch. Using some of the world's most powerful supercomputers, like the Frontier system, researchers are running massive cosmological simulations. One such project, called Flamingo, creates a virtual cosmos in a box to watch it evolve over cosmic time. This isn't just for cool graphics. These simulations let us watch how the first galaxies swirled into existence, how dark matter spun the cosmic web, and how the universe got the shape it has today. By comparing their digital universe to the real one, scientists can test our most fundamental ideas about reality. We're now at a point where we can literally create entire universes just to figure out our own. Number 8. Jupiter's auroras are an unbelievable powerhouse. We've all seen those breathtaking photos of the northern and southern lights. Oh, imagine that light show cranked up to 11 and stretched across a planet. You could fit 1,300 Earths inside. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, we've seen Jupiter's auroras in stunning new detail, and they are absolutely mind-blowing. They are immensely more powerful than anything on Earth's vast, shimmering curtains of light, bigger than our entire planet. And here's the wild part. Unlike Earth's auroras, which are mostly powered by the sun, Jupiter's are a self-sustaining engine. They're mainly fueled by volcanic material blasted into space from its moon, Io. These new images aren't just pretty. They're a front-row seat to the colossal electromagnetic forces that shape the worlds in our solar system. Number 7. The bizarre weather on Saturn's moon. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, Titan, is one of the most intriguing places in the solar system. It's got a thick atmosphere and liquid lakes, just like Earth. The catch? The lakes are liquid methane, and the temperature is cold enough to freeze your bones solid. Now, by combining data from JWST and the Keck Observatory, we're getting a weather report from this alien moon. Scientists have watched massive clouds of methane swirl over Titan's northern regions, clear evidence of an active weather system. They've also detected a variety of carbon-based molecules in the atmosphere, the kind that are part of the complex organic chemistry that could, just maybe, be a precursor to life. We are literally watching the weather unfold on a world hundreds of millions of miles away, seeing the chemistry of a potential prebiotic world in action. Number 6. A new era of photographing alien worlds. For a long time, finding planets around other stars' exoplanets was a game of shadows. We knew they existed because we could see a star's light dip ever so slightly when a planet passed in front. But taking an actual picture? That was a whole different challenge. While the very first direct image of an exoplanet to M1207b was snapped back in 2004, we've now entered a completely new era of this science. The James Webb Space Telescope has started delivering astonishingly clear direct images of these worlds, like the gas giant HIP 65426b. Seeing these planets directly is a game changer. This is allowing us to study the atmospheres and compositions of these distant worlds in ways we never could before. We're only halfway through our list, and the universe is already throwing curveballs. If you're enjoying this deep dive into the cosmos and want to stay on top of the latest science that's shifting our understanding of everything, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out and guarantees you won't miss what's coming next. Alright, let's get back to it. Number 5. Grand Design. Galaxies at the Dawn of Time. The old story of the universe went something like this. After the Big Bang, things were a chaotic mess. It took billions of years for lumpy, irregular galaxies to slowly organize themselves into the beautiful, structured spirals we see today, like Andromeda or our own Milky Way. Well, the JWST found something that throws a wrench in that timeline. It has found multiple galaxies, like one nicknamed a 2744GDSPZ4, that are stunningly well-formed grand design spiral galaxies. The shocking part, they existed when the universe was just a cosmic toddler over 12 billion years ago. Finding galaxies this mature so early is like finding a fully built Art Deco skyscraper in ancient Rome. It forces us to rethink how quickly order can emerge from chaos, and suggests the early universe was a much more efficient galaxy builder than we ever knew. Number 4. Mapping 5,000 mph winds on a distant world, here on Earth. A Category 5 hurricane with winds topping 157 miles per hour is one of the most destructive forces of nature. That is absolutely nothing. On an exoplanet called WASP-43b, located 280 light-years away, the JWST has mapped winds that are 30 times stronger. This planet is tidally locked, with one side permanently baking in the light of its star and the other in perpetual darkness. This incredible temperature difference drives equatorial winds that hit a staggering 5,000 miles per hour. On the planet's dark side, clouds of rock and minerals likely rain from the sky. We've gone from just detecting these planets to creating detailed weather maps of them. We are charting the climate on worlds whose light takes centuries to reach us. Number 3. The Hubble tension just got more tense for years. One of the biggest arguments in cosmology has been the Hubble tension. Basically, scientists have two main ways to measure how fast the universe is expanding, and they don't agree. Measurements of the local universe using stars and galaxies give one number, while measurements of the early universe from the Big Bang's afterglow give another. It's been a nagging crack in our standard model of the universe. Everyone hoped the super-precise JWST would fix it. Well, it did the opposite. New data from JWST has confirmed Hubble's measurements with incredible accuracy. Instead of closing the gap, it has slammed the door on the idea that this is all just a measurement error. The tension is real. This means there might be something fundamentally new about the physics of the universe that we just don't understand yet. The mystery is deeper than ever. Number 2. The Ghost in the Machine, a suspect in supernova 1987A. Back in 1987, astronomers watched a star explode in a nearby galaxy. This supernova, SN 1987A, was the closest one we'd seen in 400 years, and we've been studying the wreckage ever since. Theory always predicted that the star's collapsed core should have formed a neutron-stera superdense stellar corpse. But for over 35 years, we looked and we found nothing. It was a cosmic ghost story, until now. The JWST aimed its powerful infrared eye at the heart of the debris cloud. And there, it found something, the telltale signature of superheated argon gas. That kind of glow can only be explained by intense, high-energy radiation pouring off something. Something like a newborn neutron star hiding in the dust. After nearly 4 decades of searching, we now have the strongest evidence yet that the ghost in the machine is real. It's a huge confirmation of our theories about how stars die. Number 1. The monster hiding in our own galaxy. And now for the discovery that truly feels like something out of science fiction. We've been finding black holes in the Milky Way for years, most of them around 10 times the mass of our Sun. But recent data from the Gaia Space Observatory revealed something completely different, something monstrous. It's a dormant black hole named Gaia BH3, and it clocks in at a mind-boggling 33 times the mass of our Sun. It is, by a wide margin, the most massive stellar black hole ever found in our galaxy. And the craziest part, it's practically in our backyard, just 2,000 light-years away. Scientists believe this behemoth formed from an ancient metal-poor star. This isn't just about finding a bigger monster. It's a living fossil from the early days of the universe. It proves that our own galaxy still has giants lurking in the shadows, waiting to be discovered.